Hello, all. Welcome to the next online meetups of AWS User Group Punjab. My name is Amandeep Singh. I'm the user group leader of this group, AWS User Group Punjab, India. Joining me today is Lasanta Sanjeeva Silva from Sri Lanka, and he'll be presenting on AWS Systems Manager. Hey, Lasanta, how are you doing?
Yeah, I am good.
Cool, thank you. Um, Lasanta is an AWS community builder and a DevOps engineer. He's a passionate engineer who works on optimizing workflows. He likes to scale things, yet maintaining availability, high availability of services. He has multiple certifications under his belt, including those from AWS, of course, and he never misses a chance to share his knowledge with the community at large. Today, he'll be presenting on AWS Systems Manager. Lasanta, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Amandeep. Okay. Okay. Hi all. I'm Lasantha. I'm a DevOps engineer, also a AWS community builder. Uh, Also, thank you very much, Amandeep Singh, giving me opportunity to conduct a session. This is third time to AWS to Punjab, and today I'm going to showcase AWS System Manager and a small demo related to System Manager. First of all, going to what is AWS System Manager. If first of all conduct the session, I will say that everyone, if you have any doubt, you can put in the chat. After the session, I will give answer. And AWS System Manager is main usage for gain operation inside. Example of if you have previously we have EC2 instance, we need to connect using using 22 port open and using some kind of service like putty or some kind of in Linux shell like this. But after that a system manager came, we can easily manage our EC2 instance, on-premise instance, even everything. And AWS System Manager, it's help to automate configuration, ongoing management, and OS update and secure reliable solution to connect EC2 instance and so many things. In next slide, I'll show you what are the service AWS System Manager provide to uh, in the AWS System Manager having so many service, but I am selected few service because these services are commonly used, very famous. And first of all, this Session Manager. Session Manager similar to like some kind of service to connect is like Linux instance, like using uh, port 22 like this. And Session Manager we can use to connect any kind of Linux instance, Windows instance also. And session managers means is manage state of the instance. SSO RDP no need, port 22 no need, keep no need in even in a EC2 instance. And is help to agility and elasticity communication. Inside the communication use EC2, we need to provide a role to like EC2 SSM manage instant core, and that is the session manager. Also session manager supported like Windows instance, Linux instance, even though like Mac OS instance also. And next, fleet manager is a service used to node management. Is showcase all managers node, like is they are visible like instance ID, platform ID, everything. I will show you at the time this service in inside the demonstration. Next, run command is used to run like any scripting file or anything related to we need to run inside the EC2 instance. We can use run command. We can use manage one or many instance. Example, if one company having 100 instance, they need to one by one login and install. Everything is very time consuming. We can use like this automation approach using system manager run command. We can easily run any Linux or PowerShell command, bash or PowerShell commands. Next, patch manager. Patch manager, you already know patch manager. Patching means some kind of Windows based patching, Linux based patching, whatever thing. And patch manager is automated patching in in the fleet manage for instance like it support Amazon Linux, Windows servers. After that we can create a compliance report also. And is parameter store. Parameter store is very famous. It's used for mainly in DevOps engineer, like save the parameter like in parameter secrets, in like database username, password. In AWS System Manager provide parameter store service. We can use to store our secret value, because secret value we store in like coding inside the example inside the GitHub repository we save means this parameter that is very dangerous, or this security vulnerabilities happen. We can use parameter store to store this security keys, database password, like this anything. And next, I am going to discuss like document and inventory. Document means AWS System Manager use document to running command. I will show you at that time demonstration. Next, inventory. Inventory is like a grouping of AWS resource. It's used to manage resource via group. It means we can use key pair, tag based group, like this anything. Also, after inventory, we can use to like can operate using cloud formation stack like this. Next, I'll go into demonstration and share my AWS console. And in AWS console, first of all, we need to for this demonstration, we need to AMP role, because we need to connect EC2 instance with AWS System Manager. For that, we need AMP role to and attach this AMP role to EC2 instance. First of all, I'm going to AWS AMP, and AWS AMP means identity and access management. And next we need to give the role. I will go into roles, and next going to create role, and use I'm using am service. And next I'm select EC2 instant, because we going to use EC2 approach. And in there we need to given permission to SSM manage instance core permission, because this permission manage policy needed for connect with a system manager. Select next, I'll give name. You can use any name. I will give this name here and I'll paste it. Also you can use any name here, that is no issue. One thing is you need to note down his name, because at the time you create EC2 instance, you need to attach this amp role to EC2 instance. And next I'm going to create role. Okay, now role is created. Next, I will search the system manager, because today topic is system manager and we need to showcase that one. And I'll open the system manager. Okay, it's loading. Uh, Previously I mentioned here there are few service. You can see they are like session manager, fleet manager, run command, patch manager, whatever thing. And you can see they are everything. And first of all, I will go into fleet manager. Fleet manager is the service that one list down the whatever node available. Example, whatever EC2 instance we created in EC2 console. And inside this SFSM agent install means there this one is visible to here. First of all, I need to create EC2 instance. Before the going to fleet manager, I will go there and I will open it. Okay, I will going to launch instance. Okay, I need to change my region also, because I am trying North Virginia region. I will change my region to North Virginia. Okay, now I am in North Virginia region, also in AWS EC2 console. In there, I'm plan to use two type of EC2 instance, like Linux instance, and also is Linux only in Ubuntu instance and Amazon Linux. I'm created one launch one instance. It takes some time. Okay, in there I'm using Ubuntu instance. I'm name is as Ubuntu and use image put as Ubuntu, and I will select 22.04 version, and I will confirm it and select key pair. This is very important because you use a system manager, session manager, you no need to provide the key pair. Also in network also you no need to open this SSH port. I will go there. I will select in your case. Please check there are you select default VPC and also to as an IP address enable or not. Okay, I'll create one security group. I will note down the security group name because in assistance I can use same security group that is for demonstration. I will note down it. I will note down it. Also, next I will go there and next you need to go advanced settings and go into AM instance profile. You need to attach. Previously you created one AM role. You need to attach it here. Okay. I will copy this name. This is my role name. I will copy this and paste it here. I can easily get my. I'll attach here, and after that I will launch instance. Now my Ubuntu instance is creating. Meanwhile, I will create is refreshing. Why? I will refresh my screen. Oh, why is I will go to easy to instance. Okay, why this instance running state? Oh, no instance. Why this? I will refresh this. Okay, no issue. I will create instance again quickly. I will go easy to instance. I will give the name as I will select Ubuntu. I will select Ubuntu PDF eligible image and no need to provide key pair, and I will select network as default VPC, and I will select note down the security group. I'll go to edit option and note down the security group name. Now security group is dot 30 and I'm note down it. And next I will go there and select the role. I want to go to instance profile. I will select instance profile, system manager role. We need to select and next launch system. I'll forget. Okay, that's cool. I will create this one instance and okay, now instance is now creating. I'll go there and refresh. Okay, you can see now instance is creating. Next step, I need to create a Amazon Linux instance. I will go there and click create instance. I will give name as Amazon Linux 2. Okay. Next, I need to select Amazon Linux. I'm go with Amazon Linux 2, not select 23 version. And okay, next thing I need to select key pair. I will go with without key pair. And other thing is similar to previous one. And person IP address is enabled. Okay, in another special thing in security group, you need to select previously created security group because that is very easy to manage both instance for demonstration purposes. But in your case, you can select different security group for also fine. And go to advanced and go into instance profile, system manager role. I will select it and launch instance. Okay, now my Amazon Linux also created. I can see there now two instances created. One is now running state, but we need to wait for status check to is complete because otherwise these are not showing in fleet manager. Okay, I'll go to fleet manager. It's still not showing because it's still that one is initializing. Meanwhile, I goes to presentation. In here now, I'll show you that AMP session manager because we connected. Also, I'll show it after the create virtual machine and fleet manager also. So, run command is coming next demonstration. And okay, I'll wait for this one creating. Meanwhile, I'll go to system manager. You can see there now one by one come into here in fleet manager. Fleet manager is showcase every node running inside the system manager. And I'll show one thing there. They are having so many services. Also going to document. Is document means this one given like some kind of scripting mechanism to here. You can check there using like so many document there like apply chef recipes, apply patch baseline, run shell list, anything everything there. Oh, now I'll check my instance connected or not. Okay, still one is pass. Ubuntu instance is status check is pass, and I'll connect there. I'll go to connect, and I will connect using session manager. You can use EC2 instant connect also fine, but in demonstration purposes in this demo I'll use session manager. And this is a system manager session manager service, and I'll try to connect. Now I want to showcase in there this patch manager. First of all, I'm going to again fleet manager and show you one thing. In fleet manager, like in here given so many options, I will show you it. And go to Ubuntu instance and go there. After that, go there, you can see there are option to what is the node id, what is the EC2 instance id, what is if you are using key pairs, what is the key name, what are the availability soon, what are the system manager ssm agent version, every option there. Image ID. Also, there are one option to you can use file system, and you can connect this EC2 instance folder path, and you can create file directly. You can remove directory, you can do anything related to file management. And next, I want to showcase this patch manager scenario, and I'll go to patch manager. This patch manager is used to mainly patch the Windows or Linux instance, and there I will connect my instance using system manager. First of all, I'll check the what which user now login, because we use system manager means that one automatically come with SSM user. Now you can see now already come with SSM user. I need to change it to in Ubuntu. Default user is Ubuntu. I will use to Ubuntu. Okay, now I'm going to Ubuntu. I'm check. Now I'm logging as Ubuntu. Now I need to update and check which patches need to update, which are the remaining like this. I will try sudo apt update apt update, and after that I run it. I can show after few minutes there are so many things need to update. Okay, it's loading now. Okay, you can see there 34 update for newly installed like this. And in there I am press no. I no need to update using this command. I will go with system manager, patch manager, and going to patch manager. I will go into service patch manager. You can go to system manager and go to patch manager and select patch now. And I will select scan and install. I will select reboot option, reboot if needed. Instant to patch. I will select patch all instant. If you have any specific logic to track the patch, which instance you need to install patch, you can select like this. But in my case, I have only two instances. I will select patch all instances, and they are patch log stream. I will no need that one because this demonstration otherwise going to complicated. And I'm select patch now. Okay, now this is patching. This takes some time, 1 or 2 minutes. Until that, I will goes to the okay. I will goes to session manager and show you what are the thing there. Okay, in session manager, you can see session history, because in previously I'm connect my Ubuntu instance using a system manager, session manager. Also, this log come is there. You can see there what are the instances you terminated, and you can see sessions. What are the sessions available, and what are the preferences? You can change these preferences according to your need, like count.login, general preferences, st login, shell profile, like this. Another thing I want to show, their option to like okay, now we think okay, execution. Now one instant is success, other instant is pending. You can see their status also. Okay, it's loading. Wait some minute to until it's load. Okay, this patching is still running. Need to wait some minute until it's complete. Mm. Okay, that's one miss. It goes in even in sometimes in patching. This instant also reboot or something because sometimes this session also terminated. And next thing I will try to connect my Amazon Linux instance also and try to. Okay, there are some, I think still is creating. I will go there and session manager and instances. Okay, I think Ubuntu is restarted because you can see there now. Now its status is pass. I'll go there and I'll refresh this page. Okay, patching status is still pending. Okay, I will close this. I will refresh this and I will try to connect again into instance. I will use session manager and try to connect. I will close this preparation section. Okay, now I'm connected to my instance again. I will check the user. I need to change the user. I will type sudo ubuntu. Okay, I'll now log in as Ubuntu user and check. Okay, Ubuntu user. Now I'll check. Try to install update again. Sudo apd update and sudo apd update. I will check their patch is success or not. Still patching running. Maybe I think so. Is Ubuntu instant is success or not? Uh, associate ID. I will check associate ID. Okay. Now this one is pending. Associate ID. Maybe resources. Okay. This instance is success. I will show the F0 instance. F0. Oh, Amazon Linux instance. That one is success. Oh, Ubuntu instance is pending. I think. Yeah, F0 means resource ID. F0 means like Amazon Linux instance. Okay, Ubuntu instance is pending. I'll wait some minute. I think it's complete now. Yeah, you can see also there. My instance also now message system manager is going down for reboot now because system manager install the package and reboot the instance. Okay, okay. Now patch manager maybe success. Okay, meanwhile, I'll show you what are the thing related to document. You go there to document and search something AWS own document and owned by yourself. Shared with me like this. You can see they are going to owned by Amazon, and I will search this document AWS Unpatch baseline. I will enter it. You can see after that as a load. Okay, this is the run patch baseline document. I will open it. You can see version. There are some versions, also content. Because in AWS document use JSON or YAML based syntax. You can see there. Also, you can go down. You can see there are option to. I'll show you like Windows related or Linux related like this. I will show you that one. Yeah, in there you can see that is install PowerShell mode, that is related to Windows. And you can see platform sites also Windows. There are platform type Linux. There are separate command to update the package. Even they are available Windows, Linux, and Mac OS everything. And this one terminated our message visible because we close the instance. I will go there and go into patch manager again. Okay, I'll go to okay. I'll go into patch manager, patch to complaint. I'll go into Ubuntu instance. Maybe this one loading patching. Okay, in Ubuntu instance you can see node ID everything. That is the fleet manager managed node is loading, and I will go to Ubuntu instance and try to connect it using session manager. Okay, now session manager is loading my instance. Okay, I will try to update the package apt update and sudo apt upgrade. I will try to run this command. You can see there are no any large update. You can see they are asking see 13 update and volume update because previously we having 33 update. You can see there are also line also less. That's the reason patch manager update that available update everything like AW, like Amazon Linux instance, Ubuntu instance, or Windows instance. I will want to know now. You know the patch manager use case, and also in manager you can create patch baseline and patches, patch group, everything. In services, I know to show you using run the instance using run command. I'll go there and in run command. Okay, in run command you can run the command using system manager, and in here you need to command document. In command document you need to select any document. They are having by default document. Select AWS run shell script one. I'll run shell and search. Oh, no document available. Wait, I will go there. Command to run. I will paste it. I will paste it and search. Okay, you can see run shell AWS run shell script. In here, I'm show you what are the things I can run using this AWS system manager command, and in this case, I will use to run one shell script. I will to run ls minus I will already create it. I will copy and paste because that is for me, and I will paste there. You can see there. I will go into so for that I want to run command. I will use create the file sudo touch. I need to create the file hello ssm like this, and next I need to add user. I will select sudo use add, and even the username I will select as Asant. I will give a name Lasant. Okay, I need to run these two command using AWS run command. I will go there, and the output session. I'm no need to run this. No need to enable S3 other thing. Okay, I will select and run this document. Okay, okay. There I need to select tag. Also, you can select specify resource based tag or choose instance manually or choose resource. Yeah, I am using instance manually. I'll select my two instance and go there and run the run command. You can see there now command ID is executed. This one is success, and I will replace it. Now is success. I'll go to instance ID. Okay, okay, it's open. I think fleet manager. I want to go there instance. I will going to connect my Ubuntu instance using session manager. Next thing I need to check this in this demonstration purpose. I'll create this uh, a new add the new user to Ubuntu operating system. Also create one for file, and I'll wait for connect this one. Okay, I will goes to sudo so Ubuntu. I will log in as Ubuntu user. Next, I need to check this Slam create a file available or not. I will run this command. You can see uh, this file is still not uploading. I will search the user also. I want to run sudo tail etc passwd. I'll try this command. Okay, you can see there. I'm created one user, Lasanta Sanjeev, and username as Lasanta. You can see that now user is available. That is the beauty of this AWS System Manager run command. You can run any shell script or Linux based in Windows based instance. You can use PowerShell. In Linux based instance, you can use Bash shell script. Okay. Uh, that is the thing today I need to showcase. I will go one thing I want to showcase this inventory. I will go there to system manager. I'll go to system manager. I'll go to inventory. In here, inventory, like stock management inventory, they are visible every instance we manage to system manager. And okay, you can see now OS version in application like inventory coverage per type like this, and I'll going to click here to enable every instance, and after that I will go to view details. This inventory is very useful because at the time we need to inventory is very useful because at the time we need to manage resource group like this tag base key pairs or key value pairs or tag base values we can use for this inventory to manage this. And also in this inventory we can manage through cloud formation instead. You can see their status is pending, these attached resources, what are the EC2 instance attached, parameters, target, versioning, execution history, everything. Okay, these are the things today I need to showcase. I'll do one thing. Don't forget to remove this every services you created. In my case, I'll go into terminate every instance. Also, next thing you need to remove the am role, uh, and also you can delete the security group also. That also fine. That's the thing today I need to showcase. I'll go to my presentation. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubt you can ask in, also put in the chat. Also you can connect with me through LinkedIn or Twitter. I'm active on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Lasanta, for conducting another yet very useful session. We appreciate you coming back on the AWS User Group Punjab Meetup series, and hope to see you again in future.
Yeah, thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can ask now.
Yeah, I think there are no questions in the chat, but I can ask one thing. So
Yeah,
I understand that, yeah, I understand that this utility is specifically useful when we have to maintain a number of virtual machines, and we can like batch processing the commands in one go. Is that the right understanding?
yeah, yes.
Cool. What are the other use cases wherein we can find this useful? Can we also like use it to start a fleet of services and quickly like terminate them as and when required?
Yeah, this is very useful for managing in even such as in one company they are having 100 instance or 1000 instance, they can manage easily using fleet manager and AWS system manager related service. Also they are given option to like parameter store. Parameter store is very useful and very famous inside DevOps engineers because at the time we create CI/CD pipeline we can use parameter store to store the parameter. Even in managing EC2 instance also we can use parameter store to store the parameters. And also patch manager. Patch manager means we can keep our instance up to date using patch manager. There are so many use cases using AWS system manager.
Cool. Awesome. Again, thank you so much for your time, and hope to see you again in a future session.
Yeah, thank you very much Amandeep Singh, and thank you very much Yusuf Panja.
Thanks, listen. Bye.
Yeah, bye.